How to reset an Android phone to factory settings. Hey, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will guide you how to reset your Android phone to factory settings. A quick note, before resetting your Android phone, make sure to back up all important data, including contacts, photos, videos, and documents. You can use Google's built-in backup service or transfer data to your computer or an external storage device. On your Android phone, navigate to the Settings app. You can find this app in the app drawer or by tapping the gear icon in the notification panel. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the System or General Management option. Tap on it and then look for Reset or Backup and Reset. In the Reset menu, tap on Factory Data Reset or Reset Phone. This will initiate the process of resetting your Android phone to its original factory settings. Before the reset process begins, you'll be asked to confirm your action. Read the information on the screen carefully, which explains that all data will be erased from your device. If you're ready to proceed, tap on Reset or Delete All. If you have a passcode, PIN, or pattern set up on your device, you'll be prompted to enter it before the reset process can start. Enter your credentials and proceed. Your Android phone will now begin the factory reset process. This may take several minutes, so be patient. Do not interrupt the process by pressing any buttons or turning off the device. Once the reset is complete, your Android phone will restart and display the initial setup screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as new or restore your backed up data.